Here are some new products to help get your work life all organized. Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and today I have a new release from Kellofaplan to share with you that is going to help us get back on track with our work life and get the things organized that need to be organized. So we have 2 sticker books, 2 paper packs, and we are going to flip through them in this video and do a quick plan with me. All of these planner supplies will release on Friday, July the 5th at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can always use the link down in my description box. That is an affiliate link. Doesn't cost you any more, but does go a long way towards helping this channel. So thank you in advance. All right, let's go. Let's start out with the new paper packs from Kellofaplan. The first one we have is lined and dot grid sheets. These are fantastic neutral sheets that you can use in your planner. You have lined paper, front and back. Down the middle right here, you have your horizontal lines, I guess you would say, your stripy lines. And then you go into a dot grid section. So I think it's 50 total sheets. That would mean 25, 50 sheets double-sided. Yeah, so 25 of the line and then 25 of the dot grid. It's kind of a bigger dot grid, which can be really helpful if you really are sketching things out, because I feel like there's enough room to write there. So these are perfect size for a classic sized happy planner fitting in the Kellofaplan planners. These are fantastic, just kind of staples that you just want to have on hand. Love, love, love it. Then she updated her daily sheets. So Kellofaplan has done some fantastic daily sheets in the past, and she updated them specifically for work purposes, daily work sheets. So here's what they look like. You have today's date, Monday through Sunday. You kind of highlight, circle. You have the months of the year and then the date. So you just kind of figure out what you got over there. Then this is all reworded for the purposes of organizing your workday. Priority, here are your meetings, tasks. Today, this is kind of like maybe a bullet list, something like that, notes, and then an open space here at the bottom. They are double-sided, which is great because then I feel like you're not wasting paper on either side. And that is fantastic. You get 50 sheets double-sided, so this is enough for 100 days of work. I think these are fantastic because they are super neutral. I know a lot of people like to keep their work planners extremely neutral, not very many stickers, not very many bright colors, so that these will work great for that. And it's just, again, a chance for you to sit down at the beginning of your day to plan out, to kind of get focused. Or I know some people that like to fill these out the evening before, or maybe at the end of your workday, you're filling this out to track things you did, or planning for the next day, whatever the case may be. This is a great way to kind of keep track of those daily schedules. Now, to go with the new daily work sheets, we have a couple of different new sticker books. So first, let's take a look at Neutral Basics Volume 2. This one doesn't necessarily need to coordinate directly with that daily sheet. This is going to coordinate with a lot of the different layouts that you see. We're going to get some functional stickers in neutral colors. So let's take a look. We'll see a formula, kind of a pattern developing. We have this kind of brownish khaki color, almost like a coffee color. This is the color I like my coffee, with tons of creamer. You have some vertical boxes, squares, a dashboard box, double box, a sidebar, bill due, habit tracker, 2 different checklists, some smaller mini boxes, and bullet points. So it looks like you get 2 pages that are in that same color. Oh, it's going to be 3. So here you have some more functional boxes. You have the Monday through Sunday. Here's your hourly. I'm thinking that the hourly works really well on some of those daily sheets. So that might be really helpful for you. And then here is, again, some functional pieces. You have your months of the year, more bullet points, all the numbers you could need, which is fantastic because you have numbers for a weekly spread and then smaller numbers that would work for a monthly spread. some faux washi tape. That is awesome. So the rest of the book is going to follow that same pattern. You have 3 pages in each color, and this is for all of our neutral loving gals and guys. So Bill Do, same thing. This is a little bit lighter of a color. Very pretty. It's nice to just have these around. You're seeing all the different neutrals mixed in. Neutral boxes, probably the ones I grab for the most. A little bit of a darker brown right there. Very nice. Ooh, I like this grayish taupe color. I am the worst at naming the colors, especially the neutral ones. This is like a grayish green. Like it's gray, but it has a green tone to it for sure. Very nice. This is more of a pure gray. Lovely. A darker gray. I like how she switched out the font, not the font, the color of the font. She didn't just go all one color. This one makes sense as black. This one makes sense as white. Just makes it a little bit easier to read. This is a bluish gray. That's a pretty gray. Very nice. And then black. Oh, I wish there were like double the amount of black boxes. So great. All right, that is Neutral Basics Volume 2. And then the other new sticker book release is Daily Work Basics. So this will coordinate perfectly with the daily worksheets. Let me show you what I'm talking about. We're going to keep this sheet right here so we can kind of compare, and I can show you where everything will work at. So you're going to get some different colorways. You can see these squares are going to fit right here. These bullet points are sized perfectly to fit right in those little circles right there. This is going to fit right here perfectly so for you to plan out your schedule, plan out your to-do list. This also coordinates right there. So you can kind of see how it starts to all fit together, which is really, really nice. Love this. And then look, yes, I love the sophisticated feel of this one. Super cool. Again, functional. Oh, look, so beautiful. Loving those. Very pretty. It's giving you like the sophisticated work vibes, which I'm here for. I never look this good at work. That's the truth. But one can aspire, you know? Ooh, look at this colorway. Very pretty. This is more my jam with the jeans, oversized shirt. That's more my work jam. Donuts. Yeah. That makes sense. So pretty. These do have a little bit more of a sophisticated feel, which I think is nice sometimes in your work planner. My work planner ends up being, I don't know, bright and colorful and crazy because that's how my work is, and I wouldn't have it any other way. But if you prefer your work planner to be a little bit more toned down, look, see, this is my work planner vibe. Yep. That's super cute. Love, love, love. Oh, look. Oh, with the planning sheet on it. That is fun. That's super fun. Loving it. Oh, this is beautiful too with the soft colors. So you get one functional sheet and one decorative sheet with each set. This one's nice too. That kind of rosy pink. Dusty rose. Oh, this looks like desert. Very nice. All the copy. Pink and black. Loving all of the laptops because that is definitely where my life is centered most days during work time. Working 9 to 5, what a way to make a living. Working hard for something we do not care about is called stress. Working hard for something we love is called passion. Yes, please. Keep going. You're halfway to the weekend. Don't get so busy making a living that you forget to make a life. Choose a job that you love and you will never work a day in your life. Stay positive, work hard, make it happen. Love the quotes. Nothing ruins a Friday like realizing it is only Tuesday. True that. How do you say, I haven't had enough coffee for this, but professionally? Yes, please. So cute. And then here is your like action item things. Priority, to do, important, follow up, tomorrow, top tasks, action item, projects, brain dump, upcoming, research. Those are great. Planning, submit. Those are fantastic. Love, love, love. What a great daily book. So functional with the daily sheets. Absolutely fabulous, whether you work in an office, whether you work from home, whatever your working vibe is. I think this would be a great way to organize your thoughts. All right. These again, release this Friday, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure to check them out. Let's do a plan with me. I'm actually going to work in my planner on my daily sheets. I love daily sheets. What I use my daily sheets for actually is kind of a work organization tool. What I use mine for is to bring together my work planner and my catch-all planner. This is where I sit in the mornings as the kids are going to school or as I'm having a cup of coffee. I have my catch-all planner open, I have my work planner open, and I look at what the schedule is for the day in combination. So I probably have work meetings and phone calls. The kids have activities. I list out the full schedule for the day. I also do one massive brain dump to-do list. Everything that's in my head, everything that's written down on the calendars that needs to get done. I list it all out, which is why I love a long to-do list. And then I actually use it for a bit of journaling as well. I do a quick check-in. For me, when I have a lot on my heart or in my head in the morning, simply writing it down feels like a little bit of a release, feels like just letting it go. So my daily sheets end up being this big, I don't know, mishmash of work things and catch-all things, family things, hearts things, all the different things. So I have been enjoying daily sheets for a long time. I love trying different formats of daily sheets just to see how it triggers things differently in my head. So generally, I like to decorate my daily sheets in advance, like you see me doing right here. I will generally decorate about 4 to 5 of them for each week. I've been using them on the weekdays primarily. I often don't use them on the weekends. We just do a little bit looser of a schedule and task list on the weekends, but I know others that really like their daily sheets specifically for the weekends in order to get certain things accomplished. So it really depends on how you like to frame your time. I also love daily sheets as a way to track things that you've done that day. Maybe you're not planning ahead, but maybe it's really important in your job or in your role in your workplace to track what gets accomplished on a specific day, perhaps to help you better prepare for an evaluation of sorts. Whatever the case may be, it could be a fabulous place to kind of keep track of the projects that you're working on, the things that you're getting accomplished. And these stickers from Kellofaplan are fantastic because they have a bunch of different kinds of prompts. They allow you to make the sheet work for you. For me, love having a task list, definitely want a to-do list, and then I like having little check-in areas. So I'm just going to use these boxes. For me, that will probably be a place, an affirmation, a specific project I'm looking forward to or working on that particular day, maybe a mindset that I'm hoping to have. Those are some of the things that I track in those places, but if I were in an office or working in a different environment, it might be listing out certain meetings, having a place to write out the emails that I need to respond to, things like that would be nice to be able to group within these different boxes. Plus, you hear me say it all of the time, but I love a good quote on a page, and my daily pages are no different. These are some fantastic quotes that Heather included in the sticker book. She does such a great job of collecting really, I don't know, insightful, funny, inspirational quotes with all her different sticker books that are very fitting for each one. So that, since this one is focused on work, then definitely I just love all the quotes. I also want to say that even if you are not necessarily someone that goes into an office or has a, typical 9 to 5 job, whatever the case may be, I still think this sticker book is a great one to have because it has all of the office supplies, office stickers, some crafting supplies, some planning supplies, a lot of the images and things that we love to have in our planners, whether we are going into an office, whether we're retired, whatever the case may be. These are still materials that we are using on a regular basis. Plus, I can't say enough about the Neutral Basics sticker book. I'm not using it in this particular plan with me, but you can guarantee or you can bet money on the fact that that one is going to make its way into several plan with me's in the future as I work on some different type spreads, because neutrals, again, they're neutral because they go with all the things, which is one of the reasons why we love them and love to have them as we mix and match different color schemes and different things in our planners. All right, I'm going to add a few labels, a few more decorative stickers, and then wrap up these few daily pages. Thank you so much for joining me today. Do not forget, these release this Friday, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 10 a.m. Central Standard Time from Kellofaplan. You can find my affiliate link down in the description box below. Feel free to bookmark that so every time you go check out all of the gorgeous stuff from Kellofaplan, you can use that link. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. I do want to give a huge shout out to all of my Patreon community. It's going to be a great month in Patreon. We are celebrating Planner Camp throughout the month of July, and it is not too late to join us over there. There's tons of stuff going on, and you're not going to want to miss out. So check out the link down below and start your 7-day free trial today. All right, I hope that you have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.